The ultimate AllCastingcom review. Tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you're pursuing acting or modelling opportunities, most people get this wrong by applying to random listings without verification. The surprising truth about AllCastingcom is that it connects talent with legitimate casting calls, auditions and production companies worldwide. First, create a profile. You won't believe how effective it is. Upload your headshots, resume, and relevant experience. A strong profile dramatically increases your chances of being noticed by casting directors. Next, browse listings. Most people get this wrong by applying to everything indiscriminately. AllCastingcom categorizes auditions by location, role type, and industry, allowing you to focus on opportunities that match your skills and availability. Pay attention to deadlines and requirements. The surprising truth is that many successful applicants read instructions carefully, submit professional materials on time, and follow casting notes exactly. Small details often make the difference between getting an audition or being overlooked. Finally, track responses. You won't believe how much time this saves. AllCastingcom lets you monitor submissions, interviews, and callbacks in one place, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. In conclusion, AllCastingcom can take you from zero to pro in finding legitimate casting opportunities. By creating a strong profile, applying selectively, following instructions carefully, and tracking responses, you'll increase your chances of landing roles efficiently. Consistency, professionalism, and attention to detail are the keys to success in the entertainment industry.